Well, it's certainly been a warm day across the low country. Average high is 61. We're still well above that now, with most of us into the 70s for highs today. 67 degrees right now at the airport in North Charleston. We have winds generally about 5 to 10 miles per hour from out of the south and east. A few spots cooler along the coast, like 63 Sullivan's Island. But again, a lot of us still into the upper 60s downtown, right at 67. Same thing here at News 2. We stay mild through the overnight tonight just because there is a chance for rain. And additionally, we have cloud cover in place as well. Even a few stray showers offshore. A few of these making a run for the low country. Most of us staying dry for the rest of the evening, but overnight we'll see a few isolated showers. But of course, all attention is what is going on off to our west. So we'll look west where our weather comes from, and here we go. We're looking at a line of severe thunderstorms, a couple of those producing tornadoes right now in places like Louisiana and Mississippi. And we'll continue to track the potential for severe weather going right into tomorrow. That's why we declared a weather alert day for the entire low country, mainly during the afternoon and evening hours tomorrow. The Storm Prediction Center currently has us in a level 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather, and the main concern here is the potential for damaging straight line winds. So let's get straight into the details, starting out with what's going on aloft. Our upper air pattern here, this drives what's going down at the surface. We have a trough off to our west, a ridge out over the open Atlantic. So generally this is a very favorable environment for not only showers but thunderstorms here in the low country as well. We have southwesterly flow aloft, and again, that's going to help pull in some moisture from the Gulf, for example. So a few things we need for thunderstorm development. Number one, we need a little bit of wind shear, and we have that. We have strong winds aloft. Meanwhile, at the surface, we have southerly winds. Wind shear is change in wind direction or speed with height in the atmosphere. And again, that can lead to some rotation, which is what we have ongoing now, or as we get into tomorrow. Additionally, we need a trigger, a cold front, for example. This will force air closer to the surface to rise, and that will spawn the development of thunderstorms. We have the cold front moving through tomorrow. I already mentioned the moisture. We have plenty of that as we go into tomorrow. And the last thing we need is something called forecast storm energy, or in other words, you can think of this as storm fuel. Now, this is where we're going to keep a really close eye on, because there's not necessarily going to be a whole lot of this going into our afternoon tomorrow. So more breaks in the clouds, more sunlight shining down on the surface to create surface heating. That means we could be looking at a better chance for severe weather if we have a little bit less of that. For example, if we wake up tomorrow morning with a lot of isolated rain and we also have cloud cover, that lowers and limits the potential for severe weather going into the afternoon and evening. So this is something I'll be focusing on a lot as we get into tomorrow. But again, either way, the main concern is the potential for winds. Gusty winds up to about 60 miles per hour will be possible. There is a low end risk for tornadoes as well, especially if we do end up seeing a bit more sunshine during the morning and early afternoon hours, and additionally some pretty heavy rain. We could see some small hail out of this as well. So let's go ahead and show you what we can kind of expect to see as we go through the next 24 hours or so. So this is later tonight, and we're still looking at, again, a complex of thunderstorms working through places like the Dixie Alley. This continues all through the overnight. The potential for tornadoes is there, but again, we wake up tomorrow morning and there's a lot of cloud cover in place and a chance for a few stray showers as well, and this really could dampen the potential for severe weather. Additionally, the water in the harbor, by the way, 51 degrees. So with warm air working over the cooler water, that could also limit the potential for severe weather as well. So there's a few things we'll keep a really close eye on going into our afternoon. But with plenty of sunshine, that increases the storm fuel, and that gives us the potential for a squall line pushing through the low country that could produce some damaging wind gusts up to about 60 miles per hour during your afternoon and evening hours tomorrow before things really start to clear out as we go later into the daytime hours on Sunday. So that's what we'll be watching. So be sure to tune back in right here Sunday afternoon and evening. Beyond that, the weather looks nice. Monday and Tuesday right around 70 degrees, still well above normal. Once we get into 2025 though, temperature is really cooling down into the mid to low 50s. So again, overnight tonight, a chance for a few showers, temperatures into the 60s. Tomorrow near 70. We are tracking the potential for severe weather, so stay with us as we go into the afternoon and evening tomorrow. Monday and Tuesday, I mentioned, look fantastic. We're right around 70 degrees. From there on, we really cool down. Low to mid 50s is where we will go, including right along our islands and beaches next week.